So why are cockroaches so notoriously difficult to get rid of? They're often seen as one of nature's most resilient creatures, capable of surviving conditions that would eliminate many other species. Cockroaches are ancient. They've existed for over 300 million years, surviving mass extinctions, ice ages, and drastic environmental changes. This evolutionary history has equipped them with traits that make them nearly indestructible in the modern world. For example, during the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event that wiped out the dinosaurs, cockroaches thrived. Why? Unlike many animals, they could feed on decaying plant matter and organic debris. This adaptability ensured their survival when food was scarce. Today, this same ability allows them to live off crumbs, grease, cardboard, and even glue. Let's start with their anatomy. Cockroaches have a hard exoskeleton made of chitin, which acts like armor. This exoskeleton provides durability while maintaining flexibility. Cockroaches can flatten their bodies to squeeze through incredibly tight spaces, cracks as thin as 3 millimeters. Imagine a cockroach in a kitchen. It can slip under a closed door, hide inside a wall crack, or vanish into a drain pipe, making it almost impossible to trap or eliminate completely. Their legs are another marvel. Cockroach legs are designed for speed and agility. With 6 legs powered by fast twitch muscles, a cockroach can reach speeds of up to 3 miles per hour. That might not sound impressive, but scaled to human proportions, it's the equivalent of running over 200 miles per hour. Cockroaches are nutritional opportunists. They can survive on an incredibly diverse diet, including things you wouldn't consider edible: starches, sugars, decaying organic matter, hair, and even soap can sustain them. This is paired with their remarkable ability to go without food for extended periods. Cockroaches can survive up to a month without eating, provided they have access to water. And if water is scarce, some species can last up to a week without it. If you clean your home thoroughly and think you've starved them out, they may simply be waiting it out in a hidden crevice, surviving on microscopic residues. Over decades of human attempts to eliminate them, cockroaches have developed resistance to many common pesticides. Their resistance is partly due to their short reproductive cycles, allowing populations to evolve quickly. When exposed to pesticides, those with genetic resistance survive and pass on their genes, creating increasingly resilient generations. A 2019 study found that some cockroach populations are becoming virtually immune to multiple types of pesticides, meaning that even combinations of chemicals are ineffective in controlling them. Cockroaches have a unique and decentralized nervous system. Unlike humans, whose vital systems are concentrated in the brain, cockroaches have ganglia or nerve clusters spread throughout their bodies. This means they can perform basic functions like moving or responding to stimuli even without their heads. Yes, you heard that right. A cockroach can live for several days without its head. It eventually dies of dehydration, not from the injury itself. This adaptability explains why traditional methods like decapitation or crushing often fail to deliver a quick kill unless the insect is entirely destroyed. Cockroaches are social insects that thrive in groups. Their collective behavior helps them find food, water, and shelter more efficiently. They even use chemical signals, or pheromones, to communicate and locate safe hiding spots. When one cockroach finds a secure place, it releases pheromones that attract others, leading to infestations that seem to multiply overnight. Cockroaches are prolific breeders. A single female German cockroach, one of the most common household species, can produce up to 300 offspring in her lifetime. Some species lay egg cases, called oothecae, which are resistant to harsh environmental conditions and predators. Even if you manage to kill the visible adult cockroaches, their eggs can remain hidden and hatch weeks later, restarting the cycle. Cockroaches are highly sensitive to their environment. They possess tiny sensory hairs that detect air currents and vibrations, allowing them to sense approaching threats almost instantly. This sensitivity is why cockroaches often scatter when you turn on a light or approach them. They aren't afraid in the way humans understand fear. They're simply responding to stimuli that signal danger. This makes them difficult to catch or kill by hand, as they can perceive and react to your movements before you get close. One of the most enduring myths about cockroaches is that they could survive a nuclear explosion. While this is an exaggeration, there's a kernel of truth to it. Cockroaches are more resistant to radiation than humans. They can tolerate up to 10 times the radiation dose that would kill a person. This resistance is due to their slower cell division, which reduces the impact of radiation on their DNA. While they wouldn't survive the immediate heat of a nuclear blast, they might endure the fallout better than most mammals. Given all these traits, adaptability, resilience, rapid reproduction, it's no wonder cockroaches are among the hardest pests to eliminate. But does that mean it's impossible? Not necessarily. Integrated Pest Management, IPM, is a modern approach that combines multiple strategies: sealing cracks and crevices, removing food and water sources, and using targeted baits rather than broad-spectrum pesticides. The key is persistence and thoroughness. By keeping your living space meticulously clean and addressing entry points, like gaps in walls or around pipes, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of an infestation. Cockroaches may be unwelcome house guests, but they are also remarkable survivors. Their resilience is a testament to the power of adaptation and evolution. While we may find them annoying, or even frightening, it's worth appreciating the ingenuity of these tiny creatures. So, the next time you spot a cockroach, remember, you're looking at a living fossil, a creature that has endured challenges far greater than most species ever will. And while they may be hard to get rid of, understanding their biology can make it a little easier to deal with them, or at least respect their place in the world. Thank you for listening, and I hope this exploration of cockroach resilience leaves you feeling both informed and intrigued.